What is up, guys? Keaton here. Hopefully the last video that you'll see me in the same exact clothes, but I've been doing all these on the same day. So the last video I've got for you today is changing side marker bulbs. So I've got LEDs in here already. The reason I'm replacing them is that this one specifically seems to just be making a bad connection, and I'm done trying to deal with these cheap LEDs. So got nicer ones, and yeah, we're gonna install them today. All right, guys, so same as the fog lights, I've got my wheel off because these wheels are just too big to do it. But if you turn the wheel in your stock ride height and stock wheels, you'll be totally fine. Got all this peeled back still. It's just those three, and then one up there that you need to take out. So once we get to here and the fender liner's pulled out, you can see there are two little holes here. You're looking for the bigger of the two, this one right here. And there is a little clip that you can see behind there. You're gonna push on that with a flathead as you're pulling this way to pop the side marker out. It's honestly a huge pain the first couple times you do it. Once you've done it once or twice, it gets a little easier. So, gonna pop that out. All right, guys, so got the side marker out, as you can see. You only really need to pull it to about here, and then you see right here, you're just going to twist the side marker to get it off. All right, guys, so side marker's twisted off. Now all we gotta do, pull this little guy out, pop the new one right back in. All right, guys, so as you can see, side marker is pushed back in. Once you put the new light in, all you gotta do is twist it back on and pop it back in. Really straightforward, really easy, and it's on and working. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna put the car back together, get it back on the ground, and then drive it around tonight and see how big of a difference all that stuff made, because did all that today. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any further questions about how to do any of this stuff, please put it down in the comments below. We'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.